first thing we'll do is we'll do a self-test, and we'll watch that pass. All right, it says good. We're good there. I'll put it on squelch on. We can turn the squelch off. I should notice that I'm using a VIC-3 system. You'll just probably use a handset. And now let's do a power test. So, of course, we've got this 50-watt amplifier on the side, and I have it going into this dummy load watt meter set on the 150-watt range, and it nominally puts out 50 watts, which is right there where my thumb is. And so what I'll do is I'll key up, and we can see we're getting about 60 watts or so. 60 watts, and pretty stable. We can go through, we could do what the high is without the external power amp. It just should be, I think, 20 watts or something, 10 watts. Put it on 30 watt setting, which is the the middle scale. 5 watts. Okay, yeah, that's what that is. 5 watts. Okay, so that seems to work, and then we'll just do a transmission receive test on it. Let's load in 51 megahertz. So we'll switch this to load. If you can see it there, load, LD. And we'll frequency, clear, 51 megahertz. By the way, I had replaced this keyboard at one time because it was, you had to press it very hard. Now this one's perfect, super easy, very easy to use. All right, let's put this back on squelch on. And what we'll do is we'll use this radio to communicate. All right, so we have this handheld radio set to 51 megahertz. This is set to 51 megahertz, and let's transmit. Test, test, test. Yeah, you can even hear the echo. Let me see if the feedback, let me see if I can get further away. Test, 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 test. All right, and let's do it the other way around. We're going to use this handset, which is through the VIC systems connected here. Test, 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 test. This is a test 51 megahertz W2HX test. I don't know why it's not squelching, but that's okay. All right, so as you can see, the amp works. It's putting out the right power. The radio works, receive, transmit, and power test. And that's about it. Please let me know if you have any interest in buying this. Thanks.